with 200,000 cash, I feel very special. Swing that Lambo through the parking lot.
Hey, what up, YouTube, man? We back with another banger. And I hate to sound cliche, this one's a real banger. Cause I'm gonna show y'all how to get rid of that inventory that's sitting in your mama closet, sitting in your granny attic, or your granny basement or something, sitting in your crib, just piling up. I'm gonna show you how to get rid of that inventory, man. And I think that's the biggest struggle. When I first meet my mentees, man, I think that's the biggest struggle that they have. Their first drop flopped, and now they're just sitting on inventory and they have no idea what to do, man. So today, I will show you guys a couple strategies on how to get rid of that old inventory so we can get to the new drop. You feel me? So you got some money coming in for the new drop and y'all can start going crazy. So stay tuned for the video. Before I get into that, we got 1, 2, 3 brands that done sent me some merch, and I will be giving my honest opinion, my honest review. First brand we got is No Fear of Loss, man. Shout out to No Fear of Loss. Appreciate you for all the free game, twin. IG is Fear of Loss. As you can see, we got the bag. Bag is hard. Branding on the bag, man, that's what we want. Looks like we got a jersey. Ooh, it's kind of hard. Okay. 24 on the front. This quality is actually really good, I ain't gonna lie. But we need that branding on the tag, man. We need that branding on the tag. This quality is actually insane, I ain't gonna lie. You know I gotta smell it every time. I gotta smell it. No Fear of Loss on the sleeve. And then we go to the back. 24 with the flames. Logo right there on the quality on it is insane. The design ain't bad. Very simple. I mean, there's not much I can really say. I like the green color. I don't have too much green, so I like the green color. Y'all know I'm gonna put it on, man. Shout out No Fear of Loss. This is fire. The next brand is Eat or Get 8. Shout out to my guys over at Eat or Get 8. We need that branding on the packaging, man. We need that branding on the packaging. Ooh, these is hard. Hey, these is tough, bro. I ain't gonna cap. Hey, these actually hard. You know, I gotta do the smell test. Gotta do it. Yeah, these go. I ain't gonna lie, these go. So we got Eat or Get 8 right there on the crouch area in like I think it's like a distress. A pleat, is that what y'all call it? A pleat? A pleat logo right here on Eat or Get 8, man. It came with the chain. That's hard. Hey, I ain't seen too many brands come with the chain on the jorts, bro. That's tough. We got the Eat or Get 8 branding hang tag on there. We got the Eat or Get 8. It's got the tag right there on the waistband, man. These are hard, bro. Look at the pockets. The pockets are crazy. We got 3 pockets right here on the front. On the back, we got Eat or Get 8 logo right there on the back pockets. And the quality is crazy. This is tough. The only thing I'm gonna say, man, you gotta get that branding tag on the merch, man. You gotta get that branding tag on the merch. But other than that, these are really crazy, y'all. Super hard. Quality is there, design is there. I don't really got nothing bad to say, man. Y'all keep going. And it come with the biker chain, bro. That's hard. I ain't never seen too many brands do that. Next, Survive LA, man. Shout out to Survive LA. Ooh, I already see some heat up in here. Hold on. What we got? I don't know what to open first. Hold on. We got this pink jersey. Oh, this is hard, man. Shout out Survive LA. We got South Central on the front with the Los Angeles 21 on the front. I like how they go from the solid color to the mesh at the bottom. And it's like real mesh. I like that. I like how they did that. I like the colorway. I don't got too much pink, so this is gonna go hard. I like the pink with the blue, man. I never really seen that on a jersey, man. The pink with the blue, hints of the yellow. Branding on the tag, on the back, we got the Survive LA logo, I believe. I don't know if it's your logo, but we got the Survive LA on the back, and then the 21 mesh on the mesh, man. This is hard, this is hard. The green is tough. And then we got 2 packages right here, man. This is hard. Look at the packaging, y'all. It's like some ethicas. Like, I feel like it's got some ethicas or something. And they got the QR code at the bottom. That's tough. Ooh. Hit him with the work shirt. Is that what you call it? The work shirt? It's like a work shirt, right? Work shirt? Yeah. Shout out Survive LA. This is tough. Look, and they got the Survive LA logo on the zipper, y'all. Come on now. This is a brand, man. This is a real brand, y'all. With the pleat logo right there on the back. Y'all did y'all thing, Survive LA, man. Shout out Survive LA. Quality is really good on this. Y'all show love. I ain't go. They hit me with the green joint, pink joint, and they hit me with the brown and the black joint. Like, oh, hit him with the Miami Beach vibes. I ain't even gonna cap. I see you guys are targeting LA, South Central, where y'all from, I can't even be mad. I can't say nothing bad. Yeah, shout out Survive LA, man. Y'all did y'all thing, man. Y'all came crazy. All three brands really came crazy. I ain't gonna lie, I have nothing bad to say about all three brands, man. Y'all did y'all thing. But for what y'all be waiting for, that free game always, man. Shout out to the brands that have been sending me merch, man. If you want to send me some merch, my P.O. box is in the description. Size large. Again, I'm not no little boy. Send me that large. You dig? If you are a brand owner or a potential brand owner, go ahead and join my Discord, right? Completely free. We got a bunch of resources, man, for y'all when it comes to owning a brand. Really anything, how to set up a website, how to get a manufacturer, how to do a pre-order or pre-made drop. So simple, man. Go ahead and hit that link in the description and get your brand started or scale your brand. All right, man, let's get into why you guys clicked on this video, man. So basically, I'm going to give you guys a few strategies on how you can get rid of old inventory. I know a few of you brand owners are having trouble getting rid of old inventory, whether it's from a flop drop or just, you know, extra inventory that you guys have laying around. The first strategy I'm gonna give to you guys is offer a discount. I know a lot of you are like, no, I don't want to discount my clothes. I don't want to discount my clothes. But at the end of the day, you either discount them or they're just gonna keep sitting where they're at. You feel me? So go on your socials or send out a text message or send out an email blast and just let everybody know, hey, this is an inventory clear out sale, 20% off, 30% off, 40% off, whatever it is, whatever your profit margins are, is how, you know, you can go about that sale, man. This can create an urgency. It can clear out your inventory very, very quickly. Some people that are watching your brand and seeing your drops are probably like, oh, the price is too steep. And I think if you hit them with a discount, it will intrigue them more to buy. Offer bundle deals, right? So maybe do a 2 for this amount or 3 items for this amount, you know, just to get that inventory off quickly, right? This is the main goal of this video, is to show you guys how to get that inventory off quickly. It's been sitting in your attic, basement, whatever it is, for a long period of time, and you just want to get rid of it, and this is the best strategies to do that. Number 2 is leverage influencers, right? Leverage influencers, man. The inventory is already sitting. So you might as well just send it to some influencers, send them a discount code, and have their audience see that they're wearing your merch and go buy. It's just like the pre-launch strategy that I encourage for you guys by getting your merch into influencers. Influencers are a great cheat code, right? Because if you send them your merch, they already put the shit on, right? They're already fashion moguls, they're already into fashion, and people that follow them want to be like them, right? They want to dress like them. So whatever they wear, their audience is gonna gravitate to. Leverage influencers, man. The merch is already sitting. Send out a few pieces to these influencers. Send them a discount code, right? And make sure that the discount code is personalized. So say the influencer's name is, I don't want to use Quan. I use Quan every example, but that's who y'all know. So I'm gonna just say Quan. Say you send your merch to Quan, you give them a personalized discount of Quan 20 or Quan 30, right? So that's 20 or 30% off whenever they use his discount code for their purchase. And make sure they align with your brand's aesthetic, right? Don't give it to an influencer that doesn't dress how you would see your someone wearing your brand, right? You want to give it to an influencer that is identical to your brand's identity. You want to make sure that that influencer is going to put it on and is going to be beneficial for you at the end of the day. Make sure that it includes a feed post. Make sure it includes a story post. When you do the story post, make sure that they include the link within that story post so their audience is able to easily click the link and buy your merchandise. Ask them to do an unboxing video, right? Find some influencers that are good at unboxing videos, maybe some TikTok influencers that are good at unboxing videos, and have them unbox, like basically what I just did earlier in the video for these other brands, man. Do an unboxing video and really just have them, you know, just unbox the merch and give them, have them give you an honest review on the merch. Number 1, we have offer a discount. Number 2, we have leverage influence. Number 3, and this number 3, I feel like no brand owner is talking about when it comes to getting rid of old inventory. Find local streetwear stores in your area for wholesale buying. All right, so what does that mean? A lot of stores that sell streetwear are looking to buy underground brands that are hot. Why? Because these stores want to have items that are exclusive. They want to have items that only they have and no other store has. The Hellstar, the Bape, the denim tiers, all they're gonna have that as well, because that's an easy buy. That's popular, a lot of people wear it, so they know it's gonna be an easy buy. But they also wanna have items in their store that no other store has, so that it brings traffic to their store. So if your brand isn't in any stores, you can easily go to a streetwear store in your area, or if it's not in your area, maybe like an hour away, hour and a half, take that drive. Don't be lazy. We're entrepreneurs, we're hustlers. You feel me? Don't be lazy when it comes to this. Take that drive, take that risk, and go talk to these store owners, man. And when you go to the store, be like, yo, my brand isn't in any store. It's only gonna be in your store. I have these pieces right here. I have these sizes, and I'll offer a wholesale price. So if your normal price for your shirt or your hoodie is $80, maybe your wholesale price is $40 to $45. But the benefit of that is that these stores buy a bulk. With your goal being that you want to get rid of inventory, going to stores and having them buy 5 to 10 to 15 pieces is gonna put a dent into the amount of inventory that you have. And if your merch is hot, the store is gonna rock with you. If your merch isn't hot, I don't know what to say, go to the next store. That number 3 strategy, man, helped me the most when it came to me getting rid of my old inventory, is that I had a good relationship with a lot of stores, and I was able to just reach out to them and tell them, hey, I have an inventory clear out. I'm looking to get rid of this merch. You know what you wanna do? And they instantly hopped on it, man, because a lot of these stores need inventory, man. A lot of these stores are looking for these underground brands, and they're always looking to buy. Don't get discouraged when one store says no, then the next store says no, and the third store says no, because you never know, that fourth store might actually say yes and buy, you know, a good amount of pieces off you, man. So create that wholesale pitch when it comes to your brand story. Make sure you pull up with a lookbook, or make sure you pull up with the actual merch, man, and show them what you got. Show them your wholesale price sheet. I mean, if you don't have one, you know, obviously just make up a wholesale price that you have. Show them your Instagram, show them your socials, show them, you know, the amount of orders that you're getting. Just show them the testimony that you have within your brand, just to make it an easier sale to the store. After you do that, man, focus on building long-term relationships with these store owners, because when you have your next drop, you can do another wholesale order with that same store for your new drop. And that's a benefit to you, because not only is your merch available online, but it's also available in a physical store that customers can go to and buy. Offer a discount, leverage influencers, sell wholesale to local streetwear stores. Number 4, man, I'm giving y'all 4 strategies on how to get rid of this old inventory, y'all. I hope y'all taking notes, man. I really do. I hope y'all taking notes with a pen and a pad. And after you watch this video, I hope you're taking action, man. Number 4 would be run retargeting ads, right? So if you've never ran ads before, I suggest you should start, especially if you are a brand that's been around for a while, or if you run ads now. Run retargeting ads. There are a lot of people that have seen your merch, engaged with your content, watched your content, or just visited your website and never bought a day in their life. You can retarget these people with retargeting ads, and retarget them with a discount. Retarget them with a bundle deal, and maybe they will buy. Majority of the time they will buy. While they were visiting your website, or while they were seeing your content, or while they were looking at your Instagram, maybe they saw something they didn't like. Maybe it was the price point. Maybe it was, you know, just something they didn't like that didn't make them buy. So when you retarget them and you let them know, hey, this is still available, here's 20% off. This is still available, here's buy one, get one 50% off. Now, they've already seen your brand once or a couple times, and now they'll buy because you're retargeting them with a discount, man. In these retargeting ads, remind them what they're missing out on. Remind them that your brand is hot, you got some fire pieces, man, and why didn't you buy the first time? I'm gonna come retarget you and throw you a discount so you can buy a second, third time, fourth time. Maybe you're watching this video like, man, I don't have enough money for ads, you know, boom, boom, boom. $5 to $10 a day is not too bad, y'all, because you gotta think about it like this. You spend $5 to $10 a day on ads, and you get at least one sale, right? You get at least one sale, you make your money back plus more. The reason why I made that the 4th strategy is because you will need some money to be put behind it when it comes to retargeting ads. The first 3 ads are complete. The first 3 strategies are completely free, but that 4th strategy, man, you will need some money for the retargeting ads. I'm gonna tell you guys this: the best strategy out of these 4, I would have to say, would either be going to streetwear stores and looking to do wholesale pricing or wholesale buying with these stores, just for the simple fact that they buy in bulk. So if you're sitting on a lot of inventory, a store will buy 15 to 20 pieces and get rid of that, take a dent out of that bulk that you have. And then the retargeting ads. The retargeting ads are super, super important, man, just for the simple fact that you're retargeting people that have already seen your brand, but you're throwing them a discount, and majority of the time they will buy, man. That's 4 ways on how to get rid of old inventory sitting up in your mama attic, your granny attic, basement, closet, whatever it is, man. Make sure y'all got that pen and pad. I hope y'all do, and I hope y'all taking notes, because I haven't seen any YouTube videos like this, man. Hopefully y'all take action. That's basically it on the video, man. I just want to show you guys how to get rid of that old inventory, because it's a big, big struggle for brand owners, man, especially when that first drop flops and you have no idea what to do. I just gave y'all 4 ways on how to get rid of that inventory, man. Make sure y'all follow me on all my socials, at Elohim, at BSpecialTM is my brand page. Make sure y'all join the free Discord. I go into full detail on how to get rid of old inventory from A all the way to Z. I have plenty of resources in that Discord as well. Make sure y'all join that, man. Again, if you're a brand watching and you want to send me some merch, go ahead and send that, man. My P.O. box is in the description, size large, everything. We on the road to 2K. We on the road to 2K subscribers, man. I'm giving y'all a bunch of free game. So make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. I've been growing on YouTube so crazy. I think I was looking at my analytics the other day, and I gained like almost 1,000 subscribers within the last couple of weeks. So I appreciate the love from everybody. Make sure y'all stay tuned. Make sure y'all follow all the socials, man. Mr. B Special, we out.